Chapter 7.5 Parts of Similar Triangles. The first part of a triangle that we're going to look at is an altitude. And if you recall, an altitude goes from a vertex to the opposite side perpendicular. So it goes from a vertex, is perpendicular to the opposite side. An altitude may fall outside of the triangle. If I look at a triangle like this, and I look at this vertex up here, where it would hit the other side or the opposite side perpendicular would be outside of the triangle. So the altitudes are in the same proportion as corresponding sides. So the altitudes here, AB over FJ, would equal any of the 2 or 3 sets of corresponding sides. Let's pick AB and FG, so it would equal AB over FG. If 2 triangles are similar, then the corresponding angle bisectors are proportional. The angle bisectors will always fall inside of the triangle. They bisect one of the vertexes. Here our angle bisectors are RT and LP. They are in the same proportion as the corresponding sides. So RT over LP. Looking at this, we know that QR corresponds to KL. So equals QR over KL. The medians go from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, and they are in the same proportion as corresponding sides. So looking at this picture, CD over WZ would equal, and we'll pick a set of corresponding sides. Let's pick AB, and WX is equal to AB over WX. We're told that triangle LJK is similar to triangle SQR, and we want to find the value of X. MK and TR are medians, so we know that MK over TR, that would have to equal, we can look at the corresponding sides that would have some measurement to it, so we can look at JL and QS, so JL and QS, so equals JL over QS. So the value for MK is 12, the value for TR is 8, for JL it's 2x, for QS it'd be 5 plus 5, which is 10. Cross multiply. And solve for X. And X would equal 7.5. We're told that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH, and we want to find the value of X. This time we're looking at altitudes. BD and GJ are altitudes. So 9 over 6. Corresponding sides. AB corresponds to FG. So 21 over X. Cross multiply and solve. The next thing we're looking at is a single triangle and looking at the angle bisector of that triangle. If JM is the angle bisector, then it separates the opposite side, which is Km and ML, or KL, that's proportional to the lengths of the other two sides. So in this picture, Km over ML would equal Kj over JL. For the first problem, we have an angle bisector. So we know that it divides the opposite side into lengths that are proportional to the other sides. So x over 6 would equal 15 over 9. Cross multiply. And we would have that x equals 10. Solve for n. So we know that 5 over 7 would equal n, and I start with n because that's the one that's adjacent to 5, n over 21. And we have that n equals 15. And that concludes the lesson for 7.5.